Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. Today we are going to discuss the cases of dishonor of the bill in the books of Drawer and Roy. Yes, children, till now we have discussed that how the bill has been drawn and accepted by a Roy and how it has been honored by a acceptor on the maturity date. So, when the payment has been made on the due date, it is known as honor of a bill. But now, if the acceptor refuses to make the payment of the bill on the maturity date due to any reason, so it is known as dishonor of the bill. In case of dishonor of the bill, the holder of the bill can recover the amount by serving a notice of dishonor to make the acceptor liable for a payment. So, to make the acceptor liable for making the payment, what the drawer has to do that he has to hand it over the bill which have been dishonored to the notary public. Notary public एक official person होता है which have been appointed by the court. कोर्ट की तरफ से इसको क्या किया जाता है, अपॉइंट किया जाता है. If the acceptor denies to make the payment on the maturity date, this bill can be shown or presented to the notary public which have been appointed by the court. Notary public क्या करता है, again he present the dishonored bill to the drawee for the payment and still acceptor make the refuses to make the payment. He notary public notes down in his register this fact that the bill has been dishonored. सो यहाँ पे नोटरी पब्लिक क्या कर रहा है, डिसऑनर ऑफ द बिल हैज़ बीन नोटिंग डाउन इन हिज ओन बुक्स एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज ओनली नोन एज नोटिंग. नाउ नोटिंग चार्जेस. नोटिंग चार्जेस क्या है, जो ये नोटरी पब्लिक एक प्रोसेस कर रहा है to get the bill honor by the acceptor, okay, but he denies to make the payment and later on he is noting down in his books. So इसके लिए एक small fee charge करता है for the services rendered by him, that is known as noting charges. Yes, children, now I am discussing with you what will be the accounting treatment in the books of drawer as well as in the books of drawee when the bill has been dishonored and it has been retained by the drawer itself till the date of maturity. So first of all, when the bill has been dishonored in the books of drawer, again this bill will be sent back to the drawee only. So Y will be receiver and what goes out, it is credited. Okay, so Y debit to BR account. Okay, now come to the this one entry because this is the compound entry of this and this both. Okay, so this one entry also you can pass. So here Y debit to BR, already I have told you that this can be done. And for the noting charges, first of all the noting charges has to be paid by the drawer or the holder of the bill. So cash goes out, so cash goes out here, it will be credited. So one single entry can be passed here for the both and it can be passed separately also. So I prefer ki if you do the single compound entry for the same at the time of dishonor of the bill. So Y debit because he is the receiver of the bill again, and to BR what goes out to cash also. ये क्या है, ये ओनली नोटिंग चार्जेस है, ठीक है. एंड BR की जो अमाउंट आपने एट द टाइम ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस डेबिट की थी उसी को अब आपने क्या करना है, क्रेडिट करना है. इन द बुक्स ऑफ ड्रॉई at the time of cancellation again bills come to him, so BP account debit and who is the giver, that the drawer only, so to X account. And again noting charges for him it is an expense, so it is debited and the X is credited because once he has paid. Okay, so here the X has been credited. For the both entries the one single entry can be passed and I prefer this single entry only, BP account debit, because this liability once has been just cancelled and noting charges due to expense nominal charges, डेबिट हो रहे हैं टू एक्स. ही इज द गिवर. ही इज द गिवर हेयर. सो हियर द गिवर को हम क्या करते हैं, क्रेडिट करते हैं. Now one example to make you understand more clearly. On 1st January 2014, X sold goods to Y for rupees 20,000 less 2% cash discount. 1st January 2014, you can see the date over here. You can see 2014 January 1. X sold goods to Y. So Y is the receiver. Y debit to sales account 20,000. Okay. Y paid 50% price immediately. That is 20,000 का 50% हो गया 10,000. And he has got for cash 2% cash discount. So you can calculate 10,000 का 2% 200 हो जाएगा. So cash account debit 9,800. Discount allowed account debit 200. And who is the giver? Y, that is 10,000. This bill is duly X drew a bill on Y for 2 months for the balance. Now balance amount is 10,000 and this bill is duly accepted by Y. So we are knowing only when the bill has been accepted. The what will be the journal entry? I think this is clear in your mind now. BR account debit to Y. Okay, so what comes in? BR is coming in. So BR account debit to Y 10,000 rupee. Now this bill has been accepted for 2 months and later it has been dishonored. Okay, means the acceptor denies to make the payment. फाइन. सो ड्यू डेट क्या बनेगी आफ्टर 2 months? जनवरी के बाद में फेब्रवरी, मार्च एंड 3 days ऑफ ग्रेस, दैट इज March 4. So when the bill is dishonored, again this bill will go to the acceptor. So Y receiver है, Y debit to BR. BR जितने से आपने यहाँ डेबिट किया उतने से ही बेटा क्रेडिट होगा, दैट इज 10,000 रुपी. एंड इफ ही has paid the cash for the noting charges to cash account 100 rupee. So it means we are making Y liable to make the payment 10,100. यहाँ पे Y को हम क्या बना रहे हैं, debtor बना रहे हैं for the same amount. Okay. Now if he has made the payment on March 14, so what comes in? Y, bank account debit to Y because he is the giver 10,100. Now we will do the journal entries in the books of Y. So Y is the purchaser here. So January 1 purchase account debit to X account 20,000. He has paid 50% in cash. Okay, so X is receiver debit 10,000. To cash he has paid 9,800 and he has received the discount 200. सो कैश के साथ ही हमेशा डिस्काउंट आता है बिकॉज यू नो ओनली दैट डिस्काउंट हेयर बिकम्स एन इनकम फॉर द ड्रॉइंग. नाउ रेस्ट ऑफ द अमाउंट के लिए इसने क्या किया है, बिल एक्सेप्ट किया है. सो एक्स डेबिट टू बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट दैट इज 10,000. Now later on March 4th on the due date he denies to make the payment. So bill again comes back to him, BP debit, noting charges he has to pay. So expenses always debiting here with 100 rupee to X. X is the giver 10,100. And March 14 he paid the amount to the X. So X receiver है, X debit 10,100 to bank account. Bank is the giver with the 10,100. I think this is clear to all of you. Yes children, one practical problem has been shown in front of you. You can pause the video, note down this practical problem and try to do your cell phone, and then you can check the answer your cell phone. In this way you will get more confidence. Thank you very much. God bless you all.